Hey guys, it's R.V.C here and I'm back again with another video. The year is 2020, but I decided to get the Xiaomi Mi 8 Pro. I got it from AliExpress for 350 bucks. I wish I could leave the link in the description below, but the product is sold out. Anyway, let's just see around the package, unbox it and see why I got it. At the front of the package, we have the Mi 8 branding. At the back, we have some specifications of the phone. At the side, we have the Mi 8 branding as well, and this is the global version. With all that being said, let's proceed with the unboxing and see the contents inside. First, we see the phone, but we'll put it aside and see other contents inside. So inside the package, we get a USB Type-C cable for charging and data sync, of course. We get a charging brick, a USB Type-C to 3.5mm dongle is also included. There's also a transparent silicone case that is included. A user guide which we will never read. Finally, SIM ejection tool. The phone itself is pretty lightweight and the design is amazing, although the components shown are actually fake. We have the two 12-megapixel cameras and an LED flash at the back. We have the power button in red and the volume rocker on one side. The other side, we have the two SIM card slot. It's unfortunate we don't have the Google Assistant button. At the bottom, we have a Type-C port and a speaker grill. At the top, we have a microphone. Anyway, after booting the device, I got updates to MIUI 11 and the performance overall is snappy. If you're interested in seeing how it stacks up in 2020, then leave a comment in the box below. Well, for now, that's basically it. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, please drop it in the comment box below. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Share this video, and I guess I'll have to see you in the next one. Bye.